of the people in the world, they think that cancer is not curable, but I've believed that cancer is curable, especially when you come to Yashoda. You will never go wrong. I'm experiencing a lot of change compared from the time I came.
Before we came, I was feeling painful. This time I'm feeling all right. I'm healed. I thank the Yashoda Hospital for the good treatment and good people who are here. Thank you very much.
So my experience with yesterday's radiotherapy afterwards, the radiotherapy process itself was okay, painless, and the staff were very sweet and helpful. So hopefully with the ongoing sessions, I should be back to my feet.
I was having a headache. The eye was paining too much, but now the pain is less.